you having fun up there? Are you chewing on your little rope ladder? On your pirate ship? Have I ever showed you guys this? I feel like I've showed you guys this. But ever since I moved it from where it used to be over my bed, she hasn't used it as much, but lately she's been starting to use it again. For a little pirate ship, the black teal. Yeah, are you chewing on your rope ladder? Yeah, Mom, it's alright, fine. Sorry for the loud waterfall of the fish tank. I need to put some more water in there. Bless you! Bless you! You're so cute. You're so cute. My little pirate bird. Yo ho, pirates like for me, right? That's not what it sounds like. You sure look happy. Are you happy? Are you happy, Birdie? I'm staring at something outside. Totoro, are you happy, Birdie? Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Yep. Tasty coconut. Yep. Okay, keep doing what you're doing. And I'll keep doing what I was doing. Yep. 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 Cute patootie.